Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. This is vlog season 3. So I'm with my best friends. Here, Hannah Shane, the Tapulan, and here the study first. Here, her name is Excelsi Jane Villarmino.
The study first.
And yeah, she's so studious. Like literally. No. Then this Daniel Ann. Ay kani siya guys. Kay ano ba? No comment. I'm
mabuwang sa English speaking.
wala na. Ay, just to mention, I'm not drunk. I'm not hangover. I don't drink.
Mama, agmay na. Ay, kuwanda na ihubog.
I don't drink tequila. Charot. Tequila.
Redoors naman mo.
Hoy, makadaot lagi mo guwan ay. Sige tawag ng Kasi tawag ng reputation. Diba? So, for this time, wala dyan ni klase, guys. Lami na dyan kayo mag-klase. Yun nga. Saan taman kayo? Walay kuwan, walay maestro. Pero di bito ko nag-eskwila eh. Eskwila lang ko kayo uso man. Sige. Diba?